Hey guys, Jiggy here from Jiggy Bautista, and today we'll be unboxing my new Nerf modulist. Yeah, it's pretty huge. And also for all those Nihon jeans, konnichiwa minna. So yeah, I'll be going, and if you all know my Nerf gun, this guy, my Recon Mark II, you guys know this guy? You will already know. And yes, if you're wondering where did the stock go, here it is. But my brother fling this around and then just scatter all the darts everywhere in this house. And I cannot find them right now since it's now so late. Alright, so first I will be going for the modular stock. I will go for the modular stock since it only has the pistol, not the actual gun or the shotgun all the way in the front. So I have my trusty old scissor with me. Now let's unbox this. I had to put you guys down here so you might not see me. Alright. You guys wondering why I didn't upload for the past few days? Because I was busy with school and all those kinds of things, and for all those who are suffering from the coronavirus and lost some people, I know how it feels, but as long as you know, we are all suffering about that, and you're not alone. You're surrounded with millions of people that love you. Even though you lost a person you love, that doesn't mean that it's the end of the world. It means that life can be rough sometimes, but we can all get through it together, even if we don't know each other. And yes, you can see this thing. And for all those Nerf gunners, and yeah, I want to. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram or TikTok, I will not be literally sending you my Instagram account or my TikTok account. I will not do that. I know some of you hackers right there. I will find you and I will try to find your account, and I'll sincerely have my right side ready in flames right now. Literally. But I'm just joking. If you're not, then I'm fine. Then you're fine. But if not, you'll be diddled. Oh, jeez. You know the weirdest thing do you know the thing that keeps me from doing this is by the glue here. The glue that they use is pretty strong. Not gonna lie. Costco, you have outdated us. And yes, I got this from Costco, and all you Americans says, what do you mean? There's no way there's Costco there. There is Costco here. Oh boy, they used a stupid amount of freaking bundle here. If you hear some sounds in the other rooms, that's my mom and Kate. That's my mom and my brother. Oh my gosh, and it still has hot glue on it. Okay, so I got the stock. Out. Check this out, brothers. So it also has the picture, and it has 4 darts, 4 elite modular darts, and the stock with maybe the pistol. So that way, when you run out of darts, you can just get the pistol in the back. Boom. You just get the pistol, and you just fire away, waddle until the very next day. Bum bum bum. Yeah, I actually kind of mixed that with. And then you waddle away, waddle until the very next day. Bum bum bum. It's much more funny. Alright. It's the Strike modulist system. So there's Nerf.com, if I want to say that. Okay, so this is the modular stock. If you can't see it, here it is without the box, and here's the box without it. So I'm gonna take off my Frame Recon Mark II stock off, so that way I will show you how much more bigger and much more longer this thing will be. Alright, so let me just take you guys off of my charger since I'm charging this right now. Sorry about the dog. So here it is. Where did my scissor go? There it is. It just got covered up by the box. It got covered by the box. To all of you who to support the ecosystem of Earth, I respect you guys. Here's the pistol. I don't know how to literally do this, so dang it. Boom! You can undo it. Alright, so what do we have here? Dang it. You guys might be wondering what's my new school about. It's pretty fun there, and I never had that much fun. And I probably think that some of my NSC Shogakko peeps are literally watching this. I bet you guys. And I want to say, Mina konnichiwa. Boku wa daijoubu na desu means that, hi everyone, I am doing fine. There we go. And then there's two spots that I can just put the darts in, which is cool. So let me just show you how it looks like when it's combined with this. Oh my god. This is heavier and better. This is bigger, better, stronger. You get that one? It looks like it has a giant fin. It looks like sorry about that. It looks like a fin it looks like a gun that looks like a fish. I was supposed to say fish instead of that. Alright, so for the next one, I might go for the main, but I think I'll go for the very end, since that's my favorite one, the shotgun. And you're wondering why it had to look like that. I'm sorry, but this is how it is. If you guys might be wondering how long have I been here, more like a couple days or so. And if you guys had a wonderful summer, I am glad. But if you didn't, I'm sorry. But here I can actually enjoy my summers. But for all those who is in quarantine and stuff, I hope, and the ones who has coronavirus, I hope you guys get well soon. So that way no one will ever how do you say this? Oh yeah, so now nobody will ever feel alone, and I probably think your loved ones will, not probably, but I think your loved ones will be all for the Filipinos who has people in there. For all those actually, I need to re-say this again since I keep on messing it up. I'm not as a good Tagalog. I'm not good at Tagalog, but in English I'm okay. I'm okay with this. but do you guys know Rebecca Parra from Let's Explain Studios? I watched that. No joke. And if you guys also are YouTuber, if you guys are a YouTuber, say hi. Ooh, oh my gosh, it's so stuck. All right, the main one is over there. Now we have the back. I mean the front. And I think this thing is open. Yes, open. I got it open. I don't need to use my scissors. Poor guy, where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay, so here is the modul's barrel. It's already open. I don't need to use my scissors. Alright, I'll put the stock over there. Get you guys up the charger again. Put you guys over here. And also, I got this. Boy. You guys kind of got a little bit of an eye. If you guys don't like the light, I'm sorry, but this is how much power my light is. So here's the barrel's front angle. I got both of those. Now here is the barrel. I have never seen this kind of barrel though, since I have never seen one. Even though I see it in YouTube videos, I have never touched one. Ever. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. There we go. That was easy as pie. You guys know that 100 inches of pie, right? That meme and that song. And do you know that TikTok called? If you guys do TikTok, I'm literally so surprised. Since if you find something that is more like a plushie, that's me. But if it was someone else, I'm sorry. But sorry, not sorry. That meme. Oh, that's not a meme. That's a song. That's pretty good. But I don't know why that song is literally in my mind. In my mind. That's my own way. That's my own way to sing that song. Actually, I just made it up. You know, guys, I really like to sing so much that if you really want to, if you guys want to collab, that's fine, since I never done a collab before. But I've seen so many people have done it, so I kind of hope you guys want to. How do you do this? There we go. This is the barrel part for this front. I'm gonna just take off my Nerf, my recon one, so that way you can see it up with this thing. It looks so bulky. Look at this. This is much more better than the stock one. This one is literally definitely much more better. I wonder what it looks like when the parts of recon plus this. I wonder what it looks like. It might be a much more smaller compared to this now. But I bet the normal way of using these will be much more better. Alright, so let's try and test the shotgun mechanism. I have never done this in my whole entire. Alright, so this is how it looks like, right? Pump it. It's so hard. This is brand new. Okay, so that's how it is. So let's load up all 3 darts. I never had a shot. Okay. Where is that other dart? Dang it. Where's that other dart? Where did that other dart go? Oh boy. Well, oh, never mind. I found it. It's literally right next to my butt. Alright, now we have a full one. Alright, so if I don't know how long does this go, so let me just shoot it all over there. Alright. I think I might have worked around with my dad. Alright, then I better get those back. So, you guys might know in a minute. This might take a minute, so wait just a sec, guys. Yeet. Eats. Mixer. One had literally flung by. Whoops. Demonetization. I think I just got my channel demonetized by saying mixer. Alright, now time to put this back. And I might do a video with my friends since I have a friend right now. And my friends. Some of my friends can actually only play with me if we can actually use a console. So, dude, if you want to play with me with this, come and get me. Alright, so I got the stock, I got the barrel. Now it's time for the main attraction. The main Nerf gun. Alright, so I need something to stand you guys up. There it is. I'm using the scope to do this. You're wondering where is my stand? It's literally all the way there. I don't know why. I think that was my dad. Boy. Alright, so that's it. Now time for the reveal. I'm gonna use the back one instead. Okay, can I move this? Also, if my cousin's watching this, hey guys, you can see me how struggling I am. Okay. Now I got the main weapons. The main weapons. How do you say this? Oh yeah, instructions now. That's cool. Where is that? There it is. So let me just put them in order. Alright, so this is it. Alright, so let me just get my trusty old scissor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'm gonna pay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then last one. Oh wait, another one. 7 for some reason. There it is. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27. I know I could just take this off, right? 28, 29. There we go. I took like 30 tries. Oh, wait, 32 tries. Alright, so this is the larger stock. There's the stocks thing here. Cool. And here's the stocks. Here's the thing. Now, let me try this. You were guys saying, why am I doing wrong? Probably because I still didn't put this on. How do you put this? You were guys saying I'm a noob? Come at me, dude. Plus, I have myself a GoPro. If you're wondering why I'm not using it, it's because I don't know if my mom's gonna do a live. And yes, I kind of want to sponsor this video because of my mom. Her business is going pretty smoothly. And I want to say that if you guys want something or want to buy something, if you're in Japan right now, if you guys want some stuff, please not email, more like if you are friends with my mom, or if you see something like a post of more like amazing barley or anything, click on that and say to my mom, I want to order amazing barley, please, or anything, not everything, okay? Since there's no way we're gonna give you all of it. Okay, so if you guys saying I'm a noob, okay, I'm literally starting to get not good at this. How am I not well, do this first. There we go. Alright, now put this back all the way to the distance. Oh, was that a knock at the door? Something as YTV reference. 1, 2, 3, that's it. Boom. Okay, now time to put them all in together. The stock. And this. This looks amazing. The only thing is, how am I supposed to get this in? No, so I need to put this in. Or else my brother would come in and just destroy everything. Yeah, this is the new one. Never mind. I was thinking of, wait, am I using the same one now? No, I'm using the new one. And this is for literally shotgun, so not really for shotgun, it's more like oh! What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong here? Dang it. I might need to end this right now, but for you guys to satisfy my hard way to put this on, I'll let it slide. Because this is taking too long. I might actually waste my time here. But I will not waste some time with you guys. So how are you guys staying? It must be pretty hard, right? Yeah. I don't know if they develop a cure yet, I don't know. I might already rage quit right now. am I? Oh my goodness! I should have just read instructions. My gosh, why am I so stupid? How do you put it in? Wait, indicator. Oh, indicator? There's an indicator in here? What? There's a freaking indicator? The mediator. I call it the demolisher for some reason. So I have to put this on how? How am I supposed to put this on? Release button. There's a release button? I don't see a release button. This is hard for me. Someone asked me how to freaking put this in. If you guys know, leave in the comments. This must be hard for you guys. What? What is this? Oh. What am I doing wrong? You know what? I'll end this video right now. And if you want to see my new next video of Gacha Life, Heroes of the City, or should I say My Heroes of the City, you get that one, My Hero Academia, My Heroes of the City, to traumatize. Whoops. But still, it's pretty much my favorite way to live and make some gacha videos, so don't judge me. So guys, if you want to see some more content, click, and also don't forget to click the bell. Don't forget to click the like button. Whoops, let me try that. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn that bell notifications button so you'll never miss a good video. So you'll never miss another video. And always, good enough for out. See ya.